17th Dalkey Scouts here. I'm just going to show you how to make a really easy paracord bracelet so that, like, if you're out in the woods and you need rope, you can take it off and get like 3 or 4 meters of rope, depending on how big you
This
make it.
is also
a thing that you can do with it. You can make it into dog lead or something else, and it's this long now. And then if you pull this through and then pull it apart, because we did it the same knot doubled over, and then it becomes this long, which is long enough to actually use for a dog lid. As you can see, there's the dog, now it's on her. The suit is also made from the same rope, like from the same kind of knot, and if you undo it on whichever end, I think it's this end, if you undo it, it pops out into about 10 meters of rope. We just tied a loop on this end and put a hook on here, and then we can use it as a dog lead. I'm going to show you how to do the knot. So what you do to start is you get, this is 2.5 meters I think, and so you get however long rope you need. I'd recommend 2.5 if you want to do it around your wrist. And then you get the 2 ends, then you put them beside each other, and then you pull it until you get to here. So now you got the middle part. So you want the middle of the rope. Then you get it with your left hand, holding it like this. Then this is how I do it. I wrap it around my index, and then I kind of take it off so that it looks like that. So it's got 2 circles. One has 2 pieces of string, and then one has 1. Then you stay holding it with your left. You get it with your right. You get the bit hanging down. You pick it up and you put it in through the loop, through the one with the one with the 2 strings instead of just the 1. Pull it. So now you should have, again, one with 1 loop and one with 2 loops. Then the one with 2 loops, you put this, then you get the string again, you pull it, you push it through, and then this time you don't pull it after you put it through, and instead you get this hanging down part again, put it in through, and then pull it through, and then you just have to keep on doing this until you have a long piece of, like until you finish it, basically until you use up all of the string. And then when you use up all of the string, I'll show you on this one here, just so that you don't have to watch me doing the whole thing. You pull it all the way through, and then that makes a knot and it ties itself off, and then you should be left with pieces that just go on like this. And then here's the end loop. So then what you do, you can pull it through and then tie it off, so that's how you get it the right size for around your wrist. And then you'd have this long a rope, like that long, all just on your wrist in case you need to do anything with it, like tie something. So if you need to, you can get it undone really quickly because it's just the knot that it is. It's basically like a slip knot. So you get the end with the 2 strings, you push it back through the loop so that it's like that, and there's a loop sticking out, and then you grab them at each end and you pull, and then you get your rope back. Okay. Then you can tie it up to like a tree